In every earth-shaking development like the somewhat sudden change of leadership at the Senate, many theories will sprout as to the reason why it actually happened. But for the new leader of the upper chamber, not one of the theories seemed to make sense when correlated to how the lawmakers actually voted. Why? Daniel Manalastas has the explanation in this story.
Senate President Francis G. Escudero expressed openness to talk to the camp of former Senate President Juan Miguel Zubiri, maintaining that they are not enemies, a week after the Senate leadership change.
Kung na-miss ko sila o na-miss nila ako, madali naman mag-textan din. Dahil hindi naman kami magkaaway, wala ako nakikitang rason para hindi kami maging maayos ang relasyon. Bagaman magkaiba ang pananaw namin sa ilang mga bagay.
Escudero also addressed some issues, like the possibility that the reason of change of leadership is because of the Senate hearings on the alleged PIDEA leaks. But the Senate President responded to these claims.
Hindi, gaya ng sinabi ko, kung yun ang dahilan, ba't bumoto at sumuporta sa pagbabago si Senator Bato? At gaya na rin ang sinabi ko kay Senator Bato nung nag-usap kami, kung yun ang dahilan, bakit pa kami magpapalit ng Senate President? Siya na lang dapat yung pinalitan. Unfair kay Senator Bato yung mga akusasyon na yun ang dahilan at yun ang punot-dulo ng lahat ng to.
Recently, there was also a debate whether the Senate should allow Senator Bong Revilla to attend virtually in the Senate session due to a serious foot injury. Some senators claim that this might be one of the reasons, too, that led to Zubiri's ouster.
Just want to let you, to inform the body, hindi po tayo nagpapaawa dito, no? This is just a mere parang consideration. Sino ba namang gustong umabsent dito? That's why I want to be online. It's okay, Mr. President. Kahit na mabulok yung paa dito, no problem. Para sa bayan.
Mr. President, we abide by the rules and
Yes.
it actually says very clearly that bedridden is a category that applies.
No, it's not in our rules, madam. The rules is very explicit. We only amended the rules for online sessions for COVID infected individuals or those that have contagious diseases, COVID, TB, Ebola, pagka ganyan, pwede yan online or is bedridden.
But according to Escudero,
Tingnan nyo na lamang yung mga bumoto at sumuporta kaugnay ng pagbabago sa liderato. Hindi common denominator yun eh. Si Senator Joel Villanueva, sumuporta. Tingnan nyo na lamang yung listahan ng mga bumoto at sumuporta. At yun ang sasagot mismo sa anumang katanungan kung bakit nga ba.
Escudero believes all these issues will come to pass and just part of the entire process. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.